Okay, I'm so ready.
I am ready. Charge on!
We're gonna destroy them. Imagine we still die. You're going the wrong. Oh, never mind.
Let's go. All right, we need like we need to like.
I don't care.
Okay, no, don't go.
Oh, what?
I'm lighted and I just left so hard.
Far. What?
You're like, let's go. I don't care, and you just jump in and you die.
Is my stuff still there?
Call Lodrat and donated $1. I love you.
I didn't think it was that far. And I thought like armor helped from the fall damage, or was it protection?
He's a
It's
great
protection.
Love you guys.
You just like suicide bombed off. I was like, let's build a path. You're like, no.